Namaskara friends, welcome back to one more session of Reks Creations Kannada Kalike by Rekha Ainapur. Let's learn Kannada through English sentences, Part 25. Some small sentences. Why are you sad? ನೀನೇಕೆ ದುಃಖದಿಂದಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? ನೀನೇಕೆ ದುಃಖದಿಂದಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? Second, what is the cost? ಇದರ ಬೆಲೆ ಏನು or ಎಷ್ಟು? ಇದರ ಬೆಲೆ ಏನು or ಎಷ್ಟು? What is the bill? Third question. What is the bill? Bill ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? Bill ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? Let's move to next sentences. Fourth one. Can you guess what I have? Can you guess what I have? ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಏನಿದೆಯೆಂದು ಊಹಿಸಬಲ್ಲಿಯಾ? ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಏನಿದೆಯೆಂದು ಊಹಿಸಬಲ್ಲೆಯಾ? Fifth question. What news? ಏನು ವಿಶೇಷ? ಏನು ವಿಶೇಷ? Sixth one. What is the special today? What is the special today? ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ವಿಶೇಷವಿದೆ? ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ವಿಶೇಷವಿದೆ? Next, seventh question. Seventh one. What you said? What you said? ನೀವು ಏನಂದಿರಿ? ನೀವು ಏನಂದಿರಿ? Eighth one. Can you show the house? Can you show the house? ನೀವು ಮನೆ ತೋರಿಸುವಿರಾ? ನೀವು ಮನೆ ತೋರಿಸುವಿರಾ? Ninth one. Can you go with him? ನೀವು ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗುವಿರಾ? ನೀವು ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗುವಿರಾ? Next three sentences. 10th one. Can you take care of your health? ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀರಾ? 11th. Will you go there? ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೀಯಾ? ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೀಯಾ? 12th one. When will we get food? ಊಟ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೀರಾ? ಊಟ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೀರಾ? So now this is the end of the today's session. Next we will have some exercise part. First one, translate Kannada to English. So I will be giving the Kannada sentences. You need to translate them to English. It is from the today's exercise only. First one, ನೀವು ಏನಂದಿರಿ? ನೀವು ಏನಂದಿರಿ? Second, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಏನಿದೆಯೆಂದು ಊಹಿಸಬಲ್ಲಿಯಾ? ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಏನಿದೆಯೆಂದು ಊಹಿಸಬಲ್ಲೆಯಾ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ನೀವು ಮನೆ ತೋರಿಸುವಿರಾ? ನೀವು ಮನೆ ತೋರಿಸುವಿರಾ? Now pause the video and write the answers for this. If you don't know the answers, you can check the video again. Okay, now let's see the answers. First one, ನೀವು ಏನಂದಿರಿ? What you said? What you said? Second, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಏನಿದೆಯೆಂದು ಊಹಿಸಬಲ್ಲಿಯಾ? Can you guess what I have? ಊಹಿಸು means guess. Third one, ನೀವು ಮನೆ ತೋರಿಸುವಿರಾ? Can you show the house? Can you show the house? Now let's move to the next part of the exercise. That is, translate English to Kannada. Now here, next 3 questions are about English. We need to translate them to the Kannada. So now let's see what are the English sentences. What is the cost? What is the cost? Fifth one, what is the special today? What is the special today? Sixth, when will we get food? When will we get food? So now pause again and write the answers for these in the Kannada. Once you are done, let's see the answers now. First one, that is fourth, what is the cost? ಇದರ ಬೆಲೆ ಏನು or ಎಷ್ಟು? ಇದರ ಬೆಲೆ ಏನು or ಎಷ್ಟು? Fifth one, what is the special today? ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ವಿಶೇಷವಿದೆ? ವಿಶೇಷ means special. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ವಿಶೇಷವಿದೆ? Sixth one, when will we get food? ಊಟ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೀರಾ? ಊಟ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೀರಾ? So, I hope you have written all the answers. Please write how many were correct, whatever is there in the comment section. This is the end of the today's session. So I have made a playlist for all the different types of videos, that is learn Kannada daily in 1 minute short videos, learn basic Kannada in 10 days, learn to speak some Kannada words through English, and learn to read and understand small Kannada paragraphs, learn to write Kannada letters or alphabets, learn to speak Kannada through English sentences, learn to read Kannada words, and learn Kannada grammar. And I have also given the Kannada dictation, which is very helpful to practice. So please find all the above links in the description. Subscribe to my Telegram channel Reks Creations Kannada Kalike. Please like my Facebook page Kannada Kalike with Rekha. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Reks Creations. Please find all the above links in the description. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Dhanyavadalu. Please like and share my channel, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icons for more update. Thank you.